Learn Spanish fast. Can you? Equals.
Puedes.
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey there. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Ready to sound confident and kind in Spanish? Today you'll master the super handy request, can you? As.
Puedes.
Think of it as a polite key that unlocks other people's superpowers. Click, help arrives. Beat it with me. Kick snare, kick snare.
Puede.
Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll ask for help anywhere, from a cafe to an exam review. We'll say.
Puedes.
Compare it with.
Podrías.
Try the surprised form.
No puedes.
And plug in action verbs.
Ayudar. Abrir. Pasar. Explicar.
We'll add.
Por favor.
For extra politeness and notice when your request is about.
Permiso.
Forms and nuance. Let's lock in the forms, friendly, clear, and useful. Direct and common.
Puedes.
Can you? Softer and more polite.
Podrías.
Could you? Surprised or emphatic.
No puedes.
Can't you? Ability versus permission. Context and tone do the work, think.
Permiso.
And a friendly voice. Remember, you're asking, that's.
Preguntar.
And adding.
Por favor.
Is always a win. Mini dialogues. Act these out with me, gesture, smile, and own it. Dinner table. You.
¿Puedes pasar la sal, por favor?
Friend.
Claro.
Window rescue. You, pushing lightly.
¿Puedes abrir la ventana?
Roommate.
Sí. Ahora.
Study panic. You.
¿Puedes explicar esto?
Tutor.
Obvio.
Cafe upgrade. You.
Perdón. ¿Puedes poner otra leche?
Barista.
Con gusto.
Comedy genie. You.
Puedes.
Genie. I'm waiting, be specific. Listen and repeat. Echo me, big voice, clear rhythm.
¿Puedes ayudarme? ¿Podrías pasar la sal? ¿No puedes abrir esto? ¿Puedes explicar la tarea, por favor?
Beat drill. Kick snare, kick snare.
Puede. Puedes.
Culture tip. Sound natural, not robotic. In Spain and Latin America, a gentle tone, a smile, and
Por favor.
go a long way. Start with
Puedes.
or upgrade to.
Podrías.
For extra warmth, in busy cafes, a quick
Perdón.
signals respect for.
Permiso.
Memory hacks. Make it sticky with playful tricks. Mnemonic.
Poder.
Equals power. Ask if they have the power.
Puedes.
Rhyme. When in a squeeze, say it with ease.
Puedes.
Por favor, please. Gesture. Open your palm and tilt your head as you say.
Puedes.
Mirror hook. Remember the flipped question mark.
Puedes.
In mirror world, Sud P. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, I'll wait. Q1. How do you say, can you? In Spanish? A.
Puedes.
Q2. More polite, could you? Question mark single quote. A.
Podrías.
Q3. Fill the blank. Can you pass the salt, please?
¿Puedes barra baja barra baja barra baja barra baja la sal, por favor?
A.
Pasar.
Q4. What verb means to explain? A.
Explicar.
Q5. What word means permission? A.
Permiso.
Challenge time. Mini mission unlocked. Home base. Picture a sticky note on your door with.
Puedes.
Each time you pass, add an action.
Abrir. Ayudar. Pasar. Explicar.
Street role play.
¿Puedes mostrarme el camino?
Level up.
¿Podrías mostrarme el camino, por favor?
Twist for emphasis.
¿No puedes ayudarme?
Then soften your tone and smile. Goodbye and keep going. You crushed it, nice work. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Puedes.
Sprinkle.
Por favor.
And play with verbs like
Preguntar.
and.
Ayudar.
For more fun lessons and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com.
Hasta la próxima.